on y'all. It's been a couple days since I made a video. Not doing much today. Probably gonna go mow later. Right now I'm watching my daughter. My wife spends a day to herself, or at least half a day. We'll meet up with her later. But give you a recap on the last couple days. We had rain Wednesday and Thursday. Worked half a day Wednesday, off Thursday. Worked all day yesterday. Got off. Done some trick-or-treating. Didn't really do no videos. The GoPro died. I run out of memory in my SD card, so. But try to get some mowing footage today. I think this will be the last time we mow for this year anyhow. And start getting some of them yards with leaf cleanups. But I'll let y'all back here in a little bit. And hopefully have some mowing footage for you. Hopefully. Well, if things couldn't get worse, I guess they did. Old truck down there, the clutch went out in it as soon as I pulled up here. Oh well. Anywho, there's all this right here is what I'm gonna be doing here in the next couple days. I gotta pull all the weeds out. We're gonna remulch it, trim the butterfly bushes up. Went ahead, I started raking everything out. Got everything raked out real good. I just got to pull all the weeds out and then lay the mulch. And the same thing here. We're going to trim these bushes up some more, kind of flat top them, round them over a little bit. We got to rake everything out, pull all the weeds, and remulch everything. I'm going to clean up around this tree, remulch it, pull all the weeds. Same thing for that tree right there, and then that Bradford right there. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. I'm gonna upload some videos tonight for yesterday. Today ain't doing much, just going to do some family pictures with Bethany's family. Her sister's getting ready to graduate college, so I reckon we're gonna go do that today. Got the truck fixed. I thought the clutch had went out in it, and got to looking underneath the dash, and the little piston that goes from the clutch to the booster had come off the metal bar there. The clip had broke, causing my clutch to keep going all the way to the floor. So I got that fixed. Well, temporary fix right now until I can go buy a clip for it and zip tied it around it and shit. If it works, it works. But other than that, that's all I got for today. I'll try to capture some videos, or maybe some pictures today.